Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on plus. Now tap on backgrounds. Now select white color. First step, tap on tools. Tap on crop. Select portrait. Now select tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select model image. This is model image. Now erase background. Select cutout. Select brush. Now draw inside model image. Now tap on tick. Now arrange like this. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Increase size. Decrease opacity. Decrease hardness. Erase like this. Now tap on tick. Now select adjust. Select saturation. Decrease saturation to -100. Now tap on tick. Now tap on opacity. Decrease little opacity. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select PNG. This is shadow PNG. Stretch it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select another shadow PNG. Zoom out and stretch it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on draw and select the draw. Now have to select the shape. Select the square. Scroll up. Now tap on fill. Tap on OK. Zoom out. Go to colors and bring this circle to here. Blue color. Now tap on tick. Draw one line like this. Rotate it and arrange it like this. Rotate little bit. Perfect. Tap on screen. Now again draw one thin line and rotate it. You have to draw like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select again model image and arrange your model image. Now tap on shadow. Tap on position and bring the second one to 100. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to text. Write the model name as you wish. Tap on OK. Tap on tick. And you have to select this Limelight font available in PicsArt. Now tap on color. Select the black color. You can select whatever color you want. You can arrange it perfectly like this. Tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Erase these unwanted parts. Tap on restore. Keep the hardness to 100 and draw like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on layers. Tap on duplicate and arrange another one in this portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now go to add photo and select further PNGs. These are 3 PNGs. First arrange the shapes on the top here. Perfect. Now select these lines and arrange on the top here. Now tap on duplicate and arrange another line here. Perfect. Now tap on light PNG, go to blend and make it screen, zoom out, and you can arrange another one right side. Now tap on it. If you want, you can give final touch up, go to tools, go to adjust, increase little contrast, clarity little bit, and saturation little bit. Perfect. Now tap on tick. If you want to edit your hair, you can edit in Autodesk app. Okay, now tap on save. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. See you next video with new special concept photo editing.